Imagine, you're having chest pain, not tomorrow, right now. Different countries, different languages, different lives, yet almost everyone thinks the same thought. Go to the hospital. Across almost every society, there is one building people run toward when life becomes uncertain. It feels obvious. Of course, hospitals exist. Where else would medicine happen? But have you ever wondered why this building exists at all? Because for most of human history, this building didn't exist, and yet people still became sick. If there were no hospitals, where did medicine live? Why did all of this end up under one roof? Could these exist somewhere else? Something strange is happening. Pieces of the hospital are quietly leaving the hospital. Not everything, but more than ever before. Why? Why now? This isn't the story of hospitals disappearing. It's the story of medicine changing its geography. Long before hospitals, people still became sick. Why did humanity build hospitals in the first place? And almost everywhere, care began at home. For thousands of years, the journey belonged to the healer, not the patient. Medicine traveled to the patient. Birth didn't begin in hospitals. Knowledge lived inside people. Healthcare was remarkably local. The entire medical practice could travel with one person because medicine itself was still portable. But there were limits of capability. Then medicine changed. The doctor's bag was no longer enough. For the first time, medicine needed a destination. The hospital was built because medicine changed. Complexity compounds, it rarely stays small. Medicine was no longer a single profession. It was becoming an ecosystem, infrastructure. One patient, one operation, dozens of people, thousands of decisions. So humanity built a machine, a place where scarce capability lived together. The journey reversed. Now, patient to capability. Scarcity changes geography. Civilization solves problems by concentrating what is rare. Every room solved a different bottleneck. Patients were moving through layers of expertise. Hospitals don't concentrate patients, they concentrate capabilities. The hospital exists to solve mysteries. Every patient arrives as an unknown. The laboratory removes possibilities. Diagnosis is subtraction. Medicine rarely begins with certainty. Imaging narrows the mystery. Understanding emerges from combination. The real product is narrowing uncertainty. Only after uncertainty shrinks can treatment begin. Monitoring is continuous questioning. Every specialist reduces doubt. The hospital is a decision engine. Nobody knew what was wrong. Now, everyone knows what to do next. That is what the hospital produced. Better decisions save lives. Notice something remarkable. The hospital begins treating the patient before the patient even arrives. This isn't coincidence, it's architecture. The moment the crash happens, a second clock starts. Distance becomes time, time becomes biology. Cells don't wait for traffic, every minute is risk. Everything is synchronized. Hospitals don't just organize space, they organize time. Every department buys time for another. Survival is the engine. From the outside, it looks like a building. From the inside, it's a machine built to keep time from running out. What if the clock could start earlier? For more than a century, medicine kept moving inward. Then, something extraordinary happened. Medicine learned how to travel again. The building remains, but something inside is flowing outward. Portable capability changes geography. Portability reduces scarcity. Technology is mobile. One measurement tells you a moment. Continuous monitoring tells you a story. Care no longer begins when someone walks through the door. Information arrives first. The hospital is moving further down the timeline. Expertise travels digitally. Medicine stopped being one building. It started becoming an ecosystem. The hospital didn't become less important. It became less alone. The next revolution won't be about devices. It will be about moving understanding. Medicine solved many shortages. One remained: experts. Knowledge could save millions, but experts could only be in one place at one time. Medical images became digital, but judgment is human. Machine searches for patterns. Clinical eyes decide. Expertise. I can begin work early. The harder question isn't machine suggestion, it's responsibility. Wisdom requires accountability. Medicine is judgment shared between people, insight scales. For centuries, people traveled to knowledge. Now, knowledge travels to people. The intelligence is expanding beyond the walls. What remains unique? As more routine care moved outward, something unexpected happened. The hospital began losing its ordinary work. and keeping its extraordinary work. The healthcare system separated into two layers. Monitoring handles the everyday. The core handles the rare and the hard. Complexity is palpable. Some medicine cannot become portable. No application can replace synchronized human action. Information can travel. Hands cannot. Moments require hands. The future hospital sees far more complexity. Technology sharpened its purpose. The hospital becomes where medicine goes when everything else isn't enough. Hospitals aren't becoming smaller, they're becoming more selective, reserving the moments they matter most. Fewer people ever need it. Complement. Look closely, and civilization begins to reveal a pattern. None of these buildings exist by accident. Scarcity creates centers. Abundance creates networks. Factories concentrate expensive machinery. Data centers concentrate computation. Airports concentrate transportation. Universities concentrate discovery. Pattern. Hospitals concentrate medical capability. Buildings were never the story. Capability was. History redistributes capability. Scarcity changes geography. One invention can rearrange an entire society. The future is one connected system. But what happens if we remove the hospital entirely? Discovery. Imagine waking up tomorrow and every hospital simply stopped working. Healthcare doesn't disappear. Surprising. Daily care continues. When care becomes extraordinary, the system has nowhere to go. MRI scanners are silent. Transplant teams never assemble. Coordination vanished, not walls. The hospital was never its walls. When everything else fails, society gathers its very best. Different stories, same invisible machine. Hope concentrates. A hospital never healed anyone alone. Healthcare isn't a place. It's a civilization-wide network that comes together when life is most fragile. Hubs. For thousands of years, medicine solves the same problem. How do we bring the right capability to the right person at the right time? Historical arc. Every generation answers differently. Civilization challenges value versus existence. We gather them together, then spread them out. Factories, banks, schools shift. Hospitals become the places reserved for the moments humanity needs the greatest concentration of technology and time. Monuments to civilization's determination. Life. Subscribe to Learning BizCraft for more strategic teardowns. Thank you for watching.